Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in Outlook. So let's jump in. So once we are here in our Microsoft Outlook desktop app, you can navigate to the top left hand side and we're going to leave our mailbox and we jump into calendar over here. Now once you're in calendar, you are going to select the day that you'd like to create this reminder for. We're just going to literally click on the actual day. Once we are done, we've selected our day, we're going to go up to the toolbar at the top on the left hand side. You can see it says new appointment. You can tap on new appointment. Over here you can give the appointment a title. You can give it again your start time and your end time, including the date and the time over here. So let's make this 9 o'clock, and then we can also change the time zone as well as make it a full day meeting. The next thing you want to do is right at the top on your toolbar, you can see over here it says show as, and you can choose the status that it's going to show as. You can also now set a reminder. So you can have it set as from 0 minutes all the way up to 2 weeks before the time. You can also go ahead and actually choose a sound for the actual reminder. What else you can do here is you can click on recurrence. So if you're having this appointment on a recurring cycle, you can set it either daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And if we are saying perhaps weekly, we can change the actual days that it's recurring. So if it's every Thursday, let's say it's every Thursday and Friday. Let's say it's every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can set this the way you would like. It also recurs every however many weeks you would like it to have reoccur. And then you can also change the time up here again, and then the range of reoccurrence you can change when it starts, when it ends, and then you can choose however many times it's going to reoccur, and then you can also choose no end date at all. So there we go. You're going to go ahead and tap OK. So now this will continue to happen each and every, all the details that we set in over here. You're going to tap on save and close, and you're done. If this was helpful, drop us a like, give us a big old thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Cheers.